so today I'm preparing myself to go to work. So now I just finished taking shower and I'm in my uniform. So I told you. So 8:30 I'm gonna drop my kids in the school, and then after that I'm going straight to my work. So guys, pretty mom she. So samahan niyo akong mag-ayos. So ito, konting ano lang, postura, okay na. Yan. Hindi ako masyadong mag-makeup. Kasi ano lang, simple lang tayo. Oo. Natin kailangan yung makapal. Tsaka hindi ko bagay pa, guys. Kaya light lang, very very light. Yan. So medyo makapal na ito. So, ayan guys, I'm done. So, ayan lang. Kilay lang, tapos konting lip tint. And I don't blower my hair. Kasi ayun, yung everyday blower nakaka-dry kasi yun. So, I don't wanna get my hair dry. So, ayan guys. So, I'm done. Tayo guys.